Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope you're ready for some really good trading this week. Markets are moving. All right. So hopefully you guys are ready to take advantage of these moves in the market. Hey, T, welcome. T, welcome. All right, guys, let's get right into it. All right. So we're going to start with equity markets, guys. Dow gave a buy signal. And we'll spend more time on equities on Tuesday, but I want to make sure you guys are aware of this for tomorrow. All right, so Dow has a buy signal, guys. Buy signal came in on Friday on the Dow. All right, daily time frame. S&P, red candle. We had red candles, but green candles came in, so buyers are coming back in right here. After these red candles, we do have a buy signal. So we'll count that as a buy. We'll take a look at big picture also. All right. Buy. Bitcoin is moving, guys. Bitcoin is at 80,000. Amazing. All right. We do have a buy signal on the daily time frame on Bitcoin. The NASDAQ, guys, buy signal here, moving up nicely, broke through resistance. So equity markets looks really good. VIX is coming down also. Okay. All right, and even the Russell, finally the Russell broke through resistance and is moving higher. So that will help our small cap stocks move higher. We did add lots of equity positions alerts on Thursday. Okay, here's the Russell, that IWM, guys, right here, gapped up and is trading. Finally got past a long consolidation in here, long resistance level. All right, that's good. And the VIX, big move lower. So we've got lower, all right, reduced volatility on the VIX. The VIX is at close on Friday at 1494 right here. Big red candle came down on Friday. So, boy, if we can get that lower down to 13, that would be great. But we'll take where it is right now. 1494. That's really good. Way below that 20 mark. Okay. All right. Big picture on the Dow. Okay. Big picture on the Dow, guys. Weekly time frame last week. Big candle came in. Lots of buying. All right. And again, that was part of that, all that election bullish. All right. Price action there. All right, so buy signal here weekly on the Dow. Big candle came in here on the close of last week. All right, we'll see what the market does this week on the monthly time frame. Big candle here. Same thing for the month currently. S&P, guys, trading at all-time highs. So all these markets, all right, the Dow, S&P trading at all-time highs on the weekly. Same on the monthly, okay? And our E-mini traders, you guys, those of you trading E-minis, you guys should have done really, really well. All right, we'll go through those also. NASDAQ, guys, big break of resistance here on the NASDAQ. This will help your technology stocks, all the Magnificent Seven stocks. We're seeing breakout in those. Buy signal here on the weekly, moving up nicely on NASDAQ. And again, big picture, NASDAQ monthly time frame. Look at that, guys. Amazing price action. Okay. Russell, as I mentioned, right, finally broke through. These are small caps. All right. Finally broke through a big resistance here on the Russell, the IWM. Big candle closed like last week. Look at all of that buying. So that's good for stock boss. All right. Stock boss, small cap stocks. All right, big move here. We're hoping that buying continues this week. The IWM on the monthly time frame, again, guys, big resistance here, breaking through, right? Resistance here, amazing price action. That's lots of buying. Okay, so we need to finally clear that resistance level, make another leg higher. VIX, again, monthly time frame here, big picture. Look at that VIX come down, all right? Really, really good for the VIX. The Magnificent Seven, guys. So let's take a look at those. Tesla. We've done some videos on Tesla. Tesla finally broke out. We've been talking about this area here of resistance, very strong resistance here, where sellers were sitting here, finally gapped out and really breaking through. Tesla, guys, closed on Friday at 321. All right. Buy signal came in right here at 264. So you guys are trading it. Really good job. Okay. We've been watching this, talking about it. Apple's still waiting to break out. Nothing there. Meta, Facebook, right? Buyers are coming in. We need to break through resistance right here, and we'll get a buy signal. Microsoft, all right, still consolidating. All right. So let it do its thing. Wait patiently. Amazon broke out. Buy signal was here. Finally got past resistance here. Green candles here. We do have a buy signal there. And NVIDIA finally breaking out also. Okay. We had resistance here. First level of resistance here of the buy signal. All right. And then we had more resistance here, and it is breaking out now. Okay. So Google, last one here. It is also breaking out. Buy signal here, breaking out nicely. So that's good to see. All right, these stocks breaking out, and the NASDAQ will certainly help. Okay, the index. I will go through this quickly here. Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin. You guys look here on big picture on Bitcoin. Look here. Bitcoin finally broke out. We've been watching, right? Those of you who've been following us, we've been watching this here. Bitcoin has been holding that resistance level for a long time. Back 2021, had big resistance here. And then recently this year, going back all this year, right? So from January to now, right? We had all that resistance right here, sellers kept pushing the price back, finally broke out. This is why we pay attention, guys, to the support and resistance levels, okay? Big candle came in last week, all right? Really broke out. So on the weekly time frame, this evening gapped up and is now at 80,513. Just an amazing trade there. On the daily time frame is where we have our buy signal. Now, remember, guys, your other cryptocurrencies will follow the move in Bitcoin, okay? So Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, they will all follow Bitcoin. We might take a look at the other major cryptocurrencies this evening. All right, on the, let's do this. We don't need this anymore. All right, so Bitcoin on the daily time frame, which is where we really pay attention to it. All right, buy signal here. We had a red candle, got back in. All right, nice break of resistance here. Good trade going on the daily time frame. If you guys want to, let's see here. If we bring in a smaller time frame, let's do a 60-minute time frame. 60-minute time frame buy signal here. So that's even gone on the 60-minute, 30-minute. It's probably gapped up 30 minutes right here. If it holds, right, if it holds above that gap, that could certainly move higher, but we'll keep it on the daily time frame, okay? Let's go quickly to, let's see here. That's your daily. To Monster. Hold on 1 second. I want to take a quick look at the other cryptocurrency pairs. So let's go. All right. So crypto's Monster. We'll take a look at that quickly. So Litecoin, guys, Litecoin buy signal here. So if you guys are looking for a trade, Litecoin, I believe this on the daily time frame here. Buy signal here. All right, getting ready to break resistance. So it's an early move in Litecoin. Ethereum, let's see here. Ethereum, good move, nice break here. Buy signal, and this is recent. Okay, So buy signal came in right here and gapped up this evening. Good trade going. Target on Ethereum would be all the way up here. 4,000 trading at currently 31.77. Ideally, the buy signal would be right around here, around 2,800. Weekly looks good. We did Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash, same thing. Buy signal here. All right, buy signal here on somewhat of resistance. Let's see here. All right, let's make it out. All right, so buy signal here, broke resistance there. We have support here. All right, bottom line. All right, these coins are moving. Okay. All right, an early move. So early move in Litecoin, early move in Bitcoin Cash. All right, early move in Ethereum, and obviously Bitcoin. 80,000, guys. Isn't that amazing? 80,000. But that buy signal, we got that buy signal. Let's go back here. That buy signal on the daily time frame, and we were hoping that it would break out. You never know. That buy signal was at 65,000. Now it's at 80,000. But remember, we got out here, red candle, and we called it again right about in here. Okay? All right. All right. Big move. Looks like we don't have any resistance above, guys. So Bitcoin could move much higher. All right. I wouldn't want to call a target right now. But boy, that's with a new buy signal. It can certainly make another leg up. I wouldn't be surprised it gets to 100,000. Okay. All right. No guarantees, though. The dollar index, guys, still holding. We want that to break through that resistance here. All right. So still holding on the big time frame. That time frame, monthly time frame. All right. So big picture on the dollar index, we're looking to break through. The Dow, pound yen holding on the weekly. Pound yen, big move for the month in pound yen. Okay. But smaller time frames, a bit, not a lot of direction. We'll take a look at those. Okay. The yen is holding. Bonds is moving higher. Okay. So bonds is moving higher. That will help rates. Okay. So if the bonds, right, bonds can, we trade the TLT here. The TLT, if it can recapture that move, that trend line here, get above here, start moving higher, we should see rates go down. Gold, all right, gold, a bit of a pullback, all right, trading at 26.90 right now, all right, made a high all the way up here, almost 2,800. So a bit of a pullback, no major concern with gold yet. Weekly time frame buy signal here. Silver, I think silver pullback much more. All right, silver is all the way down here at 28 after making a high of about 32, trading at 28. Okay, so keep an eye on silver and gold too. If the market continued, the market, you know, gold and silver has been going with the market. That's not typical. Okay, so the one major is silver. If it breaks through that previous resistance, becomes support, we could see some selling come in. Okay, but gold, on the other hand, is holding firm for now. Okay. All right. Forex tracker, Monster Forex tracker, we have good volatility. Not a lot of good direction, you know, okay? But lots of good volatility. That's good. We just need better direction. We haven't had good direction in a few weeks now, okay? But good volatility on the daily time frame. All this yellow here, that's good. A little bit of consolidation, small amount of consolidation here. All right, so daily looks good. The 240 looks good. All right, not now. We don't have big trends, but they're up above 20. Okay, so that's good. That's on the 240, small amount of consolidation in here. And on the 60-minute, all right, we have a lot of good volatility on the 60. All right, we just need further direction. All right, so we have selling here in the Aussie, Kiwi, and Yen pairs. All right, so see, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here. So just mix for now, okay? No real direction. Still trade, all right, but I'll certainly trade lightly until we get better direction, okay? On the dollar, we got buying coming in here, all right? On the 60, selling on the 240, buying here on the daily, okay? So dollar looks good, guys, right? Dollar looks good on the daily. Buy signal here, we're looking to break out. That should help the dollar pairs. Let's take a look at current positions. Before we do that, though, before I forget, our US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders, and S&P traders. All right. Now, I've heard from a few of you, but I hope most of you guys are taking advantage of these trades. We had amazing trading, all right, in our futures E-mini systems. Okay, so US 30, all right, so Monster US 30, great trades, guys. So here was our first trade right here that we call buy signal here, sell signal here. All right, on the 60-minute time frame, amazing trade. All right, that's for lots of pips here, lots of money here. We have a new buy signal that we've sent out, okay, this evening, buy signal here, and that's holding firm nicely here. And E-minis are up in the futures market, so that will help, okay? So they're currently up. That will help on the US 30 here, the Dow, E-mini Dow right here, NAS, and S&P. So the NAS guys right here, an amazing long trade, all right? Buy signal is here all the way down here. These are big trades, guys, all right? Big trades, lots of profits here. So again, hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these trades, okay? We don't see trades like these every day. So buy signal here, this on the NAS 100. Buy signal, all green candles, yellow support and resistance, no white candles, no red candles, no sell signals. All right, so stay in the trade if you're trading it on the 60-minute. I know most of you trade it on the 5-minute time frame. All right, so let's see here. All right, so a couple of good trades on the 5 minutes here, but that 60-minute holding firm, okay? Now the daily time frame. All right, daily time frame here, we broke resistance on the daily. All of this good price action here, guys, these big candles is what's causing this. So we know the daily, right? We've got great price action, great trend on the daily. And on the US 30 also, right? We have a buy signal on the daily. All right, big candles came in and holding firm. So we can anticipate another move higher. On the S&P. All right, same thing here. On the S&P, buy signal here on the daily. Good price action, big candles moving higher. On the 60, look at this, guys. Buy signal all the way down here. Mark down, accumulation. Buy signal here, broke resistance. Big candle came in here. All right, so don't sell, don't go short at resistance. I know sometimes it's taught out there to sell, buy at support, sell at resistance. No, we want to anticipate, right, coming out of that accumulation phase, big break, big candle, right, all of that resistance here, buy signal here, good price action. The concern here, we're getting purple support and resistance. So just know, guys, we're getting overbought here. Okay, so overbought here. But if you're trading it, just stay with it. No sell signal at this point. Okay, all right. Current positions. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Now, we don't have a lot of positions. Things have been slow. Good volatility, not a lot of direction. So just be careful. hopefully we'll see better direction. Look at equities, guys. Look at it. All of that blue in here. All these stocks are moving up. All right, we have Aussie yen, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade, okay? All right, so buy signal here and a break of this resistance, sell signal, break of support right here, red candles, we should be out. So bought here, sold here, we should be out of the trade, okay? This is why we want to follow our systems. Aussie yen. New Zealand yen, all right, not a good trade here. Buy signal here, sell signal here. Be careful of shorting these, okay, guys? These yen pairs, I know there's short signals that came in, but we didn't call any of these shorts because we're in an overall markup phase, big trend, okay? All right, so these shorts are counter trend, so just be very, very careful. If you trade those, trade on a very small time frame and be ready to get out quickly. Okay, so New Zealand yen, close that trade, please. We don't have any shorts currently. Most of these shorts, that's why we haven't traded these shorts. Most of them will fail. And on the yen pairs, even the dollar pairs, they will fail also, okay? So be careful with shorts. On the 240, we do have some trades. Let's go through those. Dollar Swiss, all right, buy signal here, holding so far right here, dollar Swiss. USD DKK, buy signal here, holding firm for now, okay? Hopefully we get another trade like this, right? That would be nice. Dollar CZK, all right, buy signal here, held support. Let's bring that down here. All right, broke resistance, buy signal, held here, no red candles, all right? So moving higher, we need to get past resistance here. USD CZK. All right. And if the dollar, guys, if the dollar index breaks through that resistance, just know we have a strong resistance here on the dollar, okay? 105 is the mark. So if that dollar index gets above that, we could see it really move higher. Okay, so sellers are here, here. That's your resistance. Here we are. Okay, trading at 104. Hopefully we break through. It's currently up. And we'll see these dollar pairs move higher here. Okay, we only have 4. USD CNH. All right, buy signal here, held. All right, held. Again, if you guys are going, when you take these trades, right, if you're going to put a stop loss, put it below here. All right, put it below support. Don't put it in this area in here, right? You'll get stopped out. USD CNH. Okay, and we have some yen pairs, CAD yen. All right, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade, please. So CAD yen, close the trade. New Zealand yen. Oh, wow, look at that. Buy signal here, red candle here, we should be out right here. First red candle, we should be out. Shouldn't be out on this. All right, so this gap down, it looks like, I have no idea. Might be a misprint there. That's New Zealand yen. Close the trade, please. Dollar yen. All right, buy signal here, red candle. Close the trade, please. All right, I like the Forex God. All right, I like that name. So dollar yen, USD, JPY. Okay, we'll take a look. Let me know long or short. So long, what direction you're looking at, long or short. All right, and what time frame. So right now we're on a 240 time frame. All right, we have a red candle here, so we should be out. I'll go ahead and definitely no shorts, okay? But let's see for a long 60-minute time frame. So it is setting up for a 60-minute time frame to go long. So definitely no shorts. Okay. 60-minute time frame, we've got support. So let me know what time frame. And all right, so we have resistance right here. This on the 60-minute. All right, resistance is right here, right here, right in here. But look, this is what's setting up on the 60-minute now. So good support down here. All right, again, 60 minutes. So this is your selling, your markdown phase. And make sure we bring in our lines. All right. Markup, we're breaking resistance here, accumulation. All right, so if we, right, it gets up to that moving average, we get a green candle, kind of like this here. All right, green candle like this, we'll get a buy signal. All right, so on that 60-minute time frame, we would wait, and then we would have a target all the way up here. Okay, so just waiting here on the 60-minute time frame, and this is a perfect example here, and then a perfect example right here. Okay, so we bought here, sold here. All right, bought here, sold here. So we're looking for the same type of setup here. On the 30-minute time frame, we don't trade much on the 30-minute, but on the 30-minute, just to take a look here, really good setup. Okay, so we have a buy signal here. That blue arrow is right here. We got buyers coming in, green candle. All right, so perfect setup. That 30-minute looks really good. So markdown phase, sellers, right? Accumulation, buy signal here. We're looking to take it higher here, just like this previous trade here. Okay, markdown, right? Sellers came, buyers came in, big candles came in, went all the way up here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here. The hope is, the goal is to get it all the way back up here. Okay, so on the 30-minute, that's the best time frame to trade it. Just for fun, we'll take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Even on the 15-minute time frame, okay, we've got a similar setup here. So bought here, sold here, buy signal here. Target would be all the way up here. So good call on dollar yen. Okay, so good job taking a look at it, but however, make sure you find the time frame to trade that on. And good. I like that name. Good name, the Forex God, right? Good name. So let's move this back here. All right. So on the 240 red candle, we should be out. Okay. All right. HKD JPY. Red candle here, we should be out on the 240. TRY JPY, buy signal here, red candle, guys, we should be out. These yen pairs have been choppy. ZAR yen, same thing. Buy signal here, red candle here, broke support. Previous resistance is support. Close the trade, please. Okay. Now, dollar yen looks good because it's part of the dollar, right? So it's a yen pair, but it's part of the dollar group, and the dollar pairs an index is moving higher. So it's got some help there. We've talked about Forex Dominator daily time frame. It's really the only time frame that's doing really well. So let's see how they're holding. All right, USD SGD, guys, markdown phase, right? Accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal here, holding firm, target is here. All right, looks like I could certainly get to the target here. Lots of sellers are sitting here, okay, at that resistance level. Keep an eye on it as it moves higher. USD PLN, all right, moving up nicely here. Mark down, mark up. Follow your process. Dollar Swiss, all right, mark down. All right, moving up nicely, mark up. USD SEK, buy signal here, moving up nicely, guys. Look here, buyers, target is here. Let's bring this down. We have resistance right here, guys. So right here, we'll count this. Here, we'll even count this. And here, notice where price struggled, right, to break out. Here we are. So definitely keep an eye on it. But again, with help from the dollar index, we could see it break higher. Okay, so USD DKK on the daily looks good. Those are your position trading, right? Position trading. All right, USD SEK, buy signal here. Lots of support here. We are moving higher. We're getting past sellers here, and here. Right, held last week. Look at that, really held. And next target all the way up here. Boy, if we can break through resistance here, we could see buyers come in, right? Big institutions coming in a big way there. USD SEK, and notice how they're holding, guys. They're holding firm on the daily time frame. Dollar CAD, buy signal here, breaking out nicely there. Getting past all of that consolidation. Here is resistance, here is support, and it is getting past those sellers there. USD HUF, good breakout here. Buy signal was here is when we called it. Nice breakout, and guess what? It's getting past sellers here. We have another high that's forming right up here. All right, right up here. So we got to get not a major concern. This is not resistance. It's just a high. Here is your resistance here. Next target, guys, all the way up here, if it can break through there. Okay, and you guys know the daily time frames, these trades really run. Okay, yen pairs, Aussie yen, buy signal here, holding for now. New Zealand yen, buy signal here, lots of consolidation. Good news is it's holding now, right? Wants to break out. Hopefully it does. CAD yen, buy signal here. All right. And all green candles, higher lows. I know it's hard to see, but these candles here are moving higher. All right, higher. Not, we don't have a lot of higher highs, but higher lows. All right, so that's good. All green candles. Nothing to do there. Okay. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen, buy signal here, holding for now. All right. Definitely keep an eye on it. Previous resistance is right here. So it's holding, becomes support, holding right here for now. Pound yen. So guys, let me go back here. You guys notice why these yen pairs are not moving. They're holding, but they're not moving higher. Okay, so we've got volatility. Okay, we've got volatility, but we don't have any direction. All right, we still have consolidation. Lots of consolidation in here. Okay, so it's kind of strange because if you guys look here on the daily, that's the daily. Look at here. All right. So there's movement. We don't have a lot of consolidation. These red here in numbers, that's consolidation. A lot of the pairs are moving, all right, especially the ones up in here, but they're still near, all right, that resistance level. They're not breaking out, okay? So it's a little tricky here, okay? So just be aware of that, okay? And there's nothing we can do about this, okay? They're consolidating like this. Just have to let them consolidate. At some point, they'll break out, okay? So New Zealand yen, Euro yen, all right, Euro yen. Dollar yen on the daily time frame buy signal here, as I mentioned. Dollar yen, all right, it's a little different. It's part of that dollar group, okay? So it's part of the yen, but it's part of the dollar. So it is following the dollar index. All right, so it is moving higher nicely here. Target is all the way up here on the daily time frame. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Target here. Depending on how it looks as it gets to resistance here, we'll pay closer attention to it. HKD JPY, buy signal here. This one here looks really good. All right, mark down, accumulation, mark up. Resistance is up here, almost identical to the yen. All right, the dollar yen. Buy signal here, holding, keep an eye on this one, dollar Swiss. SGD JPY, buy signal here, holding. All right, all green candles there. TRY, your Turkish pair. All right, that's holding too. And then ZAR yen. ZAR yen, good trade, guys. Going here. Buy signal here. Reached its resistance here. So reached its target. Good news is, though, no red candles like we have here to exit. No white candles like here. No sell signal like this. So we'll let it continue to run. Hopefully, it breaks through resistance here and move higher. Okay. All right. So we've set up pretty nicely in Forex Dominator. No shorts, guys. No shorts. 60-minute. We don't have any trades long or short. On the 240, we've got 4 trades long, nothing shorts. Okay, no shorts. So let's take a quick look at Monster Scalper. Let's see if we can add any positions. Okay, look at Bitcoin. Gosh. Okay, let's take a look at long positions. So we'll go through Monster Scalper and then we'll be done. Okay. We're looking for long positions on the 60-minute time frame to go long the dollar pairs, okay? The dollar pairs. So dollar ZAR, that's a high. We don't have a buy signal, guys, on the 60-minute. If you get a buy, that would be a high buy signal. Let's see what's happening here. Okay. So it's looking for a break of resistance all the way up here. All right, so we've got resistance here. So that buy signal will come in high about here. Keep an eye on that. ZAR has been trading very sloppy. Okay, so on the 60 minutes, so just be aware of that. Okay, so no buy signal yet, though. All right, USD SGD. All right, just waiting for a buy signal there. USD SEK. Right, daily looks good, guys. 240 looks good. We're going to call a buy signal on the 60-minute time frame. If you guys want to wait for it to get past resistance right there, you can certainly do that. But we'll go ahead and call it. Again, the dollar index looks good. It is pulling back right now. Your buy signal is here. So we'll call it, but if you guys want to wait for those buyers to come on back in, all right, break through that resistance, you certainly can do that. But we'll go ahead and call it. USD SEK. Long 60-minute time frame. Okay. And we'll send out the alerts. USD PLN buy signal on the 240. Buyers are on the daily. We just need a buy signal, guys. So, right, breaks through that resistance, we'll get a buy signal. And previous trade did okay here. Okay. No buy signal yet. Just wait. Same thing, USD and okay, waiting for a buy signal. Okay. Now you guys can set your trades up. So you can certainly go ahead and bring in your trend lines and just wait for your buy signal from your system. All right, so just be patient, wait for a break of resistance and then a buy signal there. USD PLN. Same thing for USD NOK. All right, just waiting for a buy signal. And we will have that on a break of resistance right about here. Okay? All right. There's a method to the madness, right? USD MXN. All right, buy signal. We're going to call that one there. Again, guys, remember the dollar index is moving higher. So we have that on our side. It can certainly change, but right now. And all right, markdown, buy signal here. Buyers are coming in, green candles here. Our first target. All right, let's bring that. Let's bring it up here. Right up here. Okay, so USD, MXN. Long on the 60-minute time frame. USD HUF. All right, this is one. Just set it up so that we're not chasing these. We know they're almost ready. Buyers are on the 240. Buyers are on the daily. So we know the overall trend, right? Here's the daily. All right, we know buyers are on the daily. Beautiful buying there. All right, buyers on the 240. Yeah, they took a break, but look at that, all right? Previous trade did really well. If we can see the chart there, okay? So we are hoping that the dollar makes a move. That's right now, that's the best setup. All right, so we're just waiting for a buy signal. Resistance is here. All right, so resistance is here. If you're using the systems, don't wait for the buy signal. I know it's tempting to get on these green candles, right? But we need a break, right? Your system is going to give you a buy signal when the price breaks resistance. So we really need it to break, okay? Right, break resistance convincingly, okay? So that buy signal might come in some way in here, okay? So US, we'll wait on that one. USD HKD, all right, this one has a buy signal. Your blue arrow right here. All right. So this is a range trade, so we're going to break out of the range, okay? So we're looking for a break of the range. We'll bring in that resistance right here, okay? And then we have further resistance up here, but buy signal here and good price action. Looks like it wants to break out now, okay? USD HKD buy signal here, looking to break out, okay? So USD HKD. If they fail, guys, get out and wait. See if it retests. Can always get back in. USD DKK, same thing here. This has a cup and handle. All right, so. And buy signal here. And here is resistance right at the buy signal, wants to break out. We have buyers on the daily, okay, right here. Buyers are on the 240. So USD, DKK along 60. Okay. Not a lot of trades on the other markets, but at least we've got some opportunities here. Wait for this one. We need a buy signal. Okay. That buy signal should come in here. USD CZK. Just bring in your lines. You can do here your range. So here is support. Here is resistance. Looking for a breakout there. Okay. All right. Same thing here. And you can bring in your V also, but we have pretty good support here. Here is resistance. And we're looking for a buy signal on a breakout of resistance. Okay. Again, wait for your buy signals. USD CNH. Swiss, see how these are setting up, guys? These are really setting up nicely. Okay. All right. Dollar Swiss, same thing. We've got support here, right here, testing resistance, holding their resistance, right? Wants to break out. Buyers are on the daily. So the overall trend is up. Look at the daily, guys. Look at that. And we went through those dailies. All right. So mark down, mark up, buy signal. So buyers are definitely in control on the daily. So we're following the overall trend. And then here on the 240, right here, buy signal here, broke resistance. Buyers are under 240. So all we need is a few more buyers to come in, break through resistance here and give a buy signal. Okay, notice we're not shorting these. These are longs. So dollar Swiss, wait for it. And then dollar CAD, also wait for it. Okay. So just bring in your lines. And we'll bring in support. Support, right. Let's see here. Yeah, we're bringing support right here. Okay. All right. And buyers are on the daily here. Dollar CAD. All right. And buyers are on the 240 here. All right. Bit of consolidation in here. But wait for it to break out. Hopefully buy signal there. Okay. All right. Shorts on the yen pairs, as I mentioned before. All right, the Aussie pairs, yen pairs. Guys, look here. You see these shorts? All right, these shorts are not working out. Okay, look here. All right, the shorts are being squeezed. So no shorts for now. All right, see here, short here, nothing is happening. Look here. All right, setting up really good to go long. And the dollar pairs and yen pairs have been going long together. Okay, see right here, HKD JPY 60-minute. Here's the short, nothing here. All right, but that long is setting up. So if we go here, HKD JPY long, right here. All right, look at that. Green candles coming in. That's a really good setup here. Okay, so that's why we don't have any shorts. Okay. All right, so this is setting up much like the dollar pairs are. And they've been running together. The yen pairs and dollar pairs, they're not running perfectly, but they are running together. Okay. All right, look here. All right, so no shorts. All right, mark down. Look at that. Buyers are coming in. Green candle, setting up for a buy signal. HKD JPY. Okay, so I know it's red here. Don't be tempted to short. All right, to short these pairs here. Okay. If anything, wait for buyers to come in like they're doing here. And currently it's going back and forth from white to green, if you guys can see that there. I don't think anything has changed with the euro pairs. They still mix. You guys can see here with buyers and sellers here on the, so nothing here. Wants to go long though, okay? Wants to go long. So if you guys are looking for, you won't get a rotation, right, in the euro pairs, but you can find selective trades. Be careful with the pound pairs, right? If you're gonna trade anything other than the dollar pairs and the pound pairs setting up the euro pairs, but the pound pairs are all over the place, okay? On the 240, let's see here, 240 long, nothing, guys, nothing. Again, be careful. These shorts are not, all right, not working out. So no shorts. And I can remember the last time we called shorts, okay? So all right, so these shorts here, no shorts on these yen pairs. Okay? And even on the dollar pairs. So I know all these are red here on the 240. All right, no shorts, no shorts. Okay? All right. USD, yeah, on the 30 minutes, yeah, good job. All right, that looks really good. So on the 30 minute, where did we see it here? Dollar yen. So good job catching that one, guys. Dollar yen. Where is it? And as I mentioned, it's getting some help, right? So dollar yen on the 30 minute. All right. Yep. Looks really, really good. And look at that. Very smooth markdown phase. All right. So that should help. And buy signal here. Right. A close buy signal. Good setup here. Good setup. So good call on this, guys. Okay. And the previous trade did well too. So, okay. All right, guys. I know I went through a lot of information. The good news is equities, okay? So equities are doing really well. Just remember, as equities move higher, okay, Forex will calm down a bit, okay? So as we get low volatility in equities, Forex, you know, you'll have fewer money going into Forex, okay? So not that it will consolidate. Sometimes it will consolidate, but, you know, things might be tamed a bit. But just remember, the dollar, let's see here, the dollar trade, right here, the dollar trade, that is perhaps the best trade for now. And if it breaks through that resistance, if it breaks, and it's right there, guys, it's right there. So, you know, 105 is the number, and it's at 104.89. Okay, so a big break higher could really get these dollar pairs going. Okay, so, and dollar yen should move also. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Good trading. If you guys need me for anything, just, you guys know where to find me. Go on the website and send me a text and email. And just remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to help us out, okay? All right, guys.